Welcome guys, welcome on Deutsch Motorsports. Today we are on the Audi stand at the Brussels Motor Show, and today we will be reviewing on the inside and outside the all new A7 Sportback. So stay tuned and you will have seen a lot of things. So here in the front of the all new A7 Sportback we have this huge single frame of Audi, which is kind of different in comparison with the old one. This one is a bit narrower, a bit wider, and it looks really cool, really aggressive. Also with these headlights, really nice headlights, all in LEDs. It makes all the car looks more aggressive, especially in this S-line configuration. We also have two sensors here, which can help you while driving avoid collisions with other cars or something like that. So you can easily recognize it's an A7. You can see on the line it's a really nice four-door coupe, and its line has also 20 inches alloy wheels, really nice ones with huge brake discs, and a good part of this car is its back. It has been totally redesigned. We can recognize it's an A7, but if you watch, all the tail lights are really wood made. It goes from one side to the other of the back car. It's really nice to see. And we have those new integrated exhaust tips. Very nice. Like on the old one, we have also here a small spoiler which you can pop out just by pushing a button. So it's really nice to have this back on the A7. It was really a nice thing on the A7. Also a smaller panoramic roof here. Really nice one. You can open really good. Maybe a look at the price. Here we have the A7 55 TFSI Quattro, which has 340 horsepower. And it can do the 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 5.3 seconds. So let's have a look at the interior. A really nice one. But it has completely changed. We have here a new style of Audi, really pure style and design. We don't have anymore a lot of buttons. It's really pure, like in the new A8. It's really nice to see. We have here two big screens, one for media entertainment, and here we have all about the climate control buttons.
Ouais.
So we also have here head-up display in this version, really nice. We have nice leather with white stitching here on the dashboard. We have aluminium here, it's really nice made. And it's a touch screen, but if you hear it, it vibrates, and it makes a sound like you're touching just a normal button. It's pretty cool. Yeah, also a really cool navigation. Really, it's working really good. It's fantastic to use it. It's really easy, and you can just zoom it. It works perfectly. So here the seats are pretty nice. We have S-line seats here, all in leather with white stitching. It's very comfortable. I do like it. You can sit pretty well in it, and you just feel like in a sofa. You're very comfortable in it, and it does shoot your back so well that yeah, you can see for long in it. We have also some nice here Alcantara touch here, aluminium, leather. It's Audi. It's well made and well done. Then we find back also the single frame here on the airbag. It's really nice. Have a look at this shift knob. It's just awesome. It's you feel like you're going to start to drive an airplane or something like that. It's so nice. You just like it. Really cool. So we're gonna have a look also at the tail lights, which are really cool. We have a nice cinematic show. We can say show, yeah. Let's have a look first. Back seats are also really comfortable. We have also here, can't show it up, but you have a small touch screen to have the climate controls, and a nice Bang & Olufsen audio system. So here, just have a look at the nice show we have on the tail lights. It's really nice, especially by night. It gives you just a great look, and also the blinkers, which is really nice. So guys, that was it for the new A7 Sportback. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see a lot of new stuff.